High quality wrap laid professionally by me. Here we have a full wrap, wash and polish. You never want to put wax on a vinyl because it doesn't heal the same as car paint. You never want to put a wrapped car or any nice car through the mechanical car wash anyway. You want to do a hand wash to preserve the vinyl and to protect it from scratches and chips, because you can't just fill in the chip like regular car paint. You would have to do something with the vinyl to fill it in. And if you want to do it perfectly, then you're going to have to remove that whole panel of vinyl and relay it. This is a quick look at the wash and polish before we get started. We always start by collecting the belongings and making sure we don't vacuum up anything that could be valuable to the customer. And it's easier to do a thorough cleaning that way anyway. When you see jewelry or money or something that's small and valuable, you want to separate that with a Ziploc bag from the grocery size bag. This is how the car looks before the wash, polish, and full detail. This is my favorite color wrap, but it's currently compromised with insects on it and dirt, debris, and just nature itself. So we gotta clean this off. I'll go over tips, tools, and advice for doing nice cars and wrapped cars and painted cars. Used but painted cars that look nice and we have to keep nice. Or you can do this with any other car. It's really just, I'm saying this especially for this car because it's wrapped. So you have to be a bit more cautious than normal. And here's a quick clip of a part of the hand wash before we get started with the process. And as you can see with the after results on this car, it was not done by no rookies. It was done by professionals, me and our longtime team member, Dwayne. I come from a couple different car washes before I started detailing with ourselves with CarGoWash, and Dwayne comes from a couple of different dealerships along with a couple different car washes where he's been pretty much doing car work and car perfection all his life. So we've got a lot of experience here. Here's after on the inside, at least on the driver's side. We'll go around to the back and everything, but you can see how nice the dash and everything looks with this blue, a custom blue interior. Old school Benz, but you can see everything on the interior is still perfect and intact. Again, you want to take the mask off to access the whole floor, especially if you're shampooing the fabric or you're trying to reach the creases and crevices. You want to wash the mask separately to get a good look at them. Then we have a view of after of the back side of the car, the back seats of the car with the custom blue interior. Next, we have the wheels. These rims are painted gloss black and they match the blue color perfectly. They would look a little bit different if they were painted a matte or satin black, but the gloss black makes it look perfect with this color. Especially with the polish over the windows, it really gives it a glossy black look and makes the whole car just set off perfect. And like I've said in previous videos, you can apply wax and polish over the windows. You just have to make sure and remember that it's glass, so you have to apply it perfectly and evenly, and you can't let it sit on there for too long. But if you apply it right, you get the best gloss black that you could possibly get, and with the best protection that you could possibly get from the weather and from the elements of the road. Now this car is pretty much done. All I would add, and we can add, is starlights. We also could dye seats if you're looking for something custom on your car. But other than that, this car is pretty much a 10 out of 10 and it's ready to go. We've got more exciting car videos coming up soon and other topic videos that we're making while this one plays out. But for now, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.